Kinongsong dukan Mahajon Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex kila pendon kam deka buit bathamai ban penslur yaki para nongsong dukan ban pli testa yala ki dukan bat ki basa de mar de mata namar bun ki brio ki bawai dukan Kim Shong tikna bat ki khang kherdep kawai pat ka jing thmu jong ki trai dukan kalong ban penrung haki jingmut jing perkhat haki para nongsong snong ban le khoi le suba yaki saudong saukun jong ki dukan jong ki kani ka buit thamai balawan ra da ki nongsong dukan ha kani ka shopping complex da ka ba Pynlong da ka le kemen senrai ha Nongpoh shopping complex autumn shopping carnival ka bala sedang ha ka khanri tarik risau bat kan ne hadu ka arphau tarik mentau benai ka kong rona khamdait MDC Nongpoh kalalong ka kong san bat kala play ya kani ka le kemen senrai Haka Khanri tarik risau haka baradan lang ka kong B Rani additional deputy commissioner Ribhoi district ki officer sarkar na kitna trekam ki badon haka ni ka Nongbah ki Samla ki rirangba abat ki longkmi longkpa na ki dong bapher na Nongbah Nongpoh haka ni ka lekmen senrai autumn shopping carnival la shimbanta da baro ki dukan ki bakenthup ye ki dukan di jan dukan di marbam dukan di tiar detar baharukom ya kani ka carnival la kershan bat Beijing ludru deki Mahajon bat ki company ki bakhayi pateng ha kani ka district kadukan GNC store kala kershan borba ya kani ka lekmen senrai da ka jing thmu ban kentiu ya ki weipat ki dukan ki badang yaksat ha ka di ka thet ha kani ka sngi pli ya kani ka carnival ka office deputy commissioner kala sam ya ki sernot certificate shaki Samla NSS Ribhoi college kum ka jing sngongu yaki jing tremon sngo bhajang ki ban hika yaki pat ba ban le khoi le suba yaki saudong saukun jang ka shopping complex da ki nuksa ba ki lapen i pat ba haki por balala
Shillong tuan hamne balai tuan Shillong tuan bambu stall hamne kambei ke pasok kakali The autumn shopping carnival is open, officially open. Yes, sekarang yang tiga yang kalau ini.
For us women, mga pagkukumpala nila kasi ay ang ikuha no bandage window shopping one or bagay 3 bagay 38 bagan especially girls kaya lakihan ka dyan na Khubor na ang CLP na Khuborjylla ba may autumn shopping carnival kamlong ko dyan kamlong ko sa kamlong ko ba ay jimundoy ya ki nongsong kan ki jongi ya ki paprashan balien halaki jongi jan. My special thanks our respected Deputy Commissioner. Thank you so much, sir. Last maybe we can say it's summer. I have missed the program, but today I'm rushing like anything from Shillong so that I will not miss for this second chance. But here I am. So thank you so much for your leadership. You are not confined with the office work, but I know it personally. You have tried from your level many initiatives, many programs for the benefit of our local youth, for the benefit of our local entrepreneurs. So thank you so much, sir. God bless you and your entire team for your great efforts and for your great initiative. I just hope that we will not end, we will not bring out with this just autumn shopping, or just autumn. I just do hope that we'll proceed with the winter, with the summer from time to time. So with these few words, again ka jongan sa sisirpan ay kulay lang iti baro kibaya, dapat na kamen sim jo ke jintri nang makan ay sim iwe ya iwe pan. Dan dia ke shopping carnival kaman kot ang panong makan dia ke business. Dan mereka melo ke jing ay sim iwe ya iwe. Kenapa? Kita di badan ke sim dan setengah sejam kini orang sim batangnya pensyuri kini. Nama kini kecuali bangan long besok bagi nyok yang akan sorga berok. Dan mereka kecuali jauh kini kita di badan pensyuri. Yani nongsen kang ibarat di jongi, babila oleh lagi jongi jabat tapi yang kerja. Dan dari ini kerja naik population jalan.
As our continuous efforts to revive this shopping complex and make it what it was bred to be. I have since the last 1.5 years. I have been hearing repeated complaints from people that they thought that it would come up as a shopping mall, but it was a pale shadow of even a market complex. So with your help, with the help of the shopkeepers, with the help of my very capable officer from Gani, and with Shoy, who has been working tirelessly for the shopping complex, we have been able to do our part. It is up to the shoppers and the shopkeepers that they keep the momentum going, and from our side we keep the efforts. We'll keep on making the efforts to ensure that the shopping complex realizes its true potential. That's all from my end, and madam, thank you for accepting the invitation. In the last festival, we saw that you were a pillar of support. I called you up, you took media along, you gave bites, you encouraged shoppers to come forward. So thank you, that was a very, very nice gesture on your part. So today also you are here with us today. So again, thank you for that. And with your support and with your constant encouragement, I am sure that the shopping complex will realize its true potential. Thank you.
Next, Khubor, Selain seperti yang ini bekerja di bawah dua tahun yang ada jumpa pada jumpa ini. Kacung sokana, bat kacung sokamal, bat ini sisa yang tak dijigi, yang iba jual. Ngaru, na ini pun kumlaki hunan di para tingkat kumlaki dah saka. Yawan peta, syakanya ke atom shopping. GMC store lalu, kemudian urus haknya ke Khubor. Yang nak kena